Have you ever wanted 40,000 lumens of light power for your headlights on your vehicle? Ever thought that was possible? Well, it sure is now. What's going on, buddy? You're watching GTSam. I'm Sam, and we're here with my dad's Subaru because he deserves some light upgrades for his driving at night. And what better brand to go with than Novsight? So we have right here this kit of 4 bulbs to be able to install up to 40,000 lumens. And I'm not joking. I think we're going to be able to get that. You think it's some kind of bogus claim? We're about to find out, because this is one of the easiest and simplest installs for light bulbs you ever do on a vehicle. So let's go ahead and dive into this right now. Guys, I ain't kidding. Easiest install of light bulbs ever. Headlights are right here, right above. 2 spots here for the bulbs. Twist, pull out. I'm even gonna do it without wearing gloves. It's that simple. But first, we gotta go into this, open this up here. So they give us 4 bulbs here, 2 boxes each. Eventually open this. There we go. Oh, look at these babies right here, guys. These are where it's at. This is not the cheapo, wacko stuff you get from Amazon, people. This is legit, because let me tell you about this. Right here, little fans for heat dissipation. Then inside and top here, you can see these copper coils, these lines. Yeah, those are to dissipate the heat ultra fast, ultra well. These, some high quality LEDs, and most importantly, CAN bus module. For all you geeks out there like me, you plug this in and it avoids flickering, and it also communicates with the car, so there's no issues with flickering or the car thinks the bulbs are out or anything like that. These are going to work awesome. So let's go ahead and I'll show you what we got to do next to get these all installed right here. Well, we can't forget, we got to go for a drive first. You got to see the halogen lights first, so let's go. I'll pop over there and do that real quick on the back roads here. Here we are, taking for a test drive regular halogen lights. Oof, this is pretty abysmal, actually. That's me pointing at the ground right there in the street. Still pretty bad. Sorry, going to the other dark sector of this neighborhood here. You can't even see that watch for deer sign right there. Yep, just past that. Okay, so yeah, we're still, you know, I'm boosting the camera as much as I can, but we're gonna use the same thing for when we swap over to LEDs. But here's high beams. Yeah, okay, you know, it's something on the camera here. Still, like, your eyes aren't going to be able to see as well as the new LEDs we're going to put on here. Let's turn around and get these done. So we have the 2 bulbs right here. We'll just start with this one on this side. You got to twist towards the outside, pull, and there we are. All right, then you got to take out this little tab here. Now you could wear gloves, so in case you touch the filaments here, you want to be careful about that, because these are kind of fragile, especially HID bulbs. These are less fragile, but put those to the side right there, and voila, we got this. So these are usually kind of movable here. Yeah, if you need these, you can kind of twist them around like that, but it doesn't really matter too much because, you know, it shines all over the place. All right, so I'm gonna plug our little right here. So you can see I started working on this first one here, so we'll leave it off to the side for now. Okay, first one up here. It's gonna be right here. Gonna be twist towards the fender, like that. Pull out, straight out. Try to touch the filament there. You don't get your oils on there from your hands. Squeeze the tab, and there it is. All right, next, I'm gonna take our bulb right here. Then we're gonna plug this right in. Nice click. So then I'm gonna take this, twist a little bit so you can kind of move it around, but locks in place once it turn all the way to the right. Then go ahead and insert it here. Make sure it lines up with all the holes. And then we're gonna make sure we're able to twist this. It's gonna need a little more convincing here. Really need to give it a push. There it is. Now it's seated in there. Very good, very good. Like that. Okay, so and then the little CAN bus can kind of sit down there, which is good. And these are weatherproof, waterproof. Hey, be good to go. Now, so we got the other box here, and this is for the other bulbs over here. So we're gonna go ahead and take care of that next. All right, so we're back into the other box here, but I'll show you something here. They give you one of these too. This is epic. I highly suggest getting these just for this. This is so cool. I'm putting on some of my things. All right, so as you can see, we get all kinds of cards and the zip ties there, and we get the most important thing, the bulbs. So these are gonna be a little bit different here. So as you can see, these ones go together because they're gonna be over here. Got the green socket right there, green, and so that fits pretty nicely right there. So these definitely have a little bit of a different base. You can see right here too. Those are gonna be nice and happy over there. So they're definitely different. So I'm putting the bulbs over in the case there for later on, just in case. Never know. I'm gonna slide this in, click. Oh yeah. Same thing with this. I'll make sure this is all tightened up. Actually is really nicely. Then I'm gonna slide it right into here. Get boom, lined up, twist. to the engine. There, guys, we're locked in place. Booyah. All right. Well, let's just turn on the lights, make sure it actually worked. That'd be a really good idea. No big reveal yet. Can't do it yet. Oh, dang. I think that just killed, like, the other lights. Oh, look at that. I'll let you hear. Here's the fan right now. Yeah, you can't even hear that. That's great.
Leave me the hard stuff part or the easy part?
Ah, the easy part. The whole thing's easy.
The whole thing's easy.
Yep, we're going on this side. So, everyone, I even brought my dad out here just so he could change them with me because it's that easy. So we only have.
Easy.
Yeah, I say that when we work on cars, and it's like, is it? But.
So this is a clip.
Yeah, all you gotta do is you gotta twist it. You gotta grab it and just like twist it towards the fender.
Yeah.
Or not the fender, it's the opposite. There you go.
So I don't want to touch this. You got a glove?
No, I don't have a glove. But I was doing pretty good with just using.
On the inside.
Yeah, see, it's like the wearing out. So it's a good thing we're doing them anyways. But if you just press the clip and pull it out, I mean, it's got the rubber in there, so it's gonna be a little resistance. Yeah. Ta-da!
That's why they're getting dull at this.
Yeah. All right, so we got that one. So this is for that. So let's make sure. So twist. What I had to do is I'm going to twist.
Is there a key for this?
Yeah, this is a little keyway. So then make sure this thing's twisted all the way to the right. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so it's locked in place. It's ready. So yep, that should. If the keyway is the same as the other one, so I would say install it first, like the bulb. So you put the bulb in first, so you can kind of
into the socket.
Yeah. And once we get there, we go. Give it a little push and then twist. Oh, almost. Yeah. So now it should go towards the fender to lock in. It's going to probably give it a little bit of a heave ho.
I feel like it's.
Aha! Yeah, there it is.
Tight, yeah, with the
the
new O-ring.
Yep. All right, now you can plug it in.
This.
Yeah, both have tabs on
This one says
top and
minus,
bottom.
That says plus.
Yeah. Yeah, and click.
Click.
Yeah, look at that. Yeah, a little less wear, but man, these bulbs are ugly. Browning out. Excellent. But there. And this one's might be even easier than the other one we just did. Yeah, there's a little keyway again, so you should be able to kind of put it on there.
Set of keys, so it can only go one way, right?
Yeah. So there we go. It's locked in again. And voila.
And we don't care which is plus or minus.
Nope.
Oh, yes, we do. Wait a minute. Okay, it's snapped. It's clicked. And once you get the first one done, the second one's easy.
Yep. Sure is. Hey, do you want the little tag?
Put what on your keys?
Yeah. Venture's calling.
Yeah, this way we don't lose the keys, right?
Yeah, I won't lose them again. Yeah, you can keep that. I got one too.
I'll put that here for now.
Okay, very good. And we got zip ties in case you want them, but we'll keep the bulbs here for another use probably. Engage. Where are you going?
I don't want to get blind.
Just don't stare at it. Okay, here we go.
Okay. Okay, yeah, that's not so bad.
Yeah, no, it's got a good line.
Some bright.
Yeah, it's nice and bright, but it's got a sharp line, so it's not going to go crazy high and blind everybody.
Yeah, that's what we like.
Yeah, but hey, oh wow, it's actually a little bit cooler than your little LED strip here. But hey, that looks good. And now we are back on the side roads here in the dark with our brand new lights. As you can see, same settings on the camera, and I'll post them onto the video here for all us geeks here. And then you can see that this is much better. All right, take it on the road. All right, so like I said, you couldn't see that deer sign before. Let's find out now, and you can plainly see that that's there. Ah, beautiful. Let's try a little bit of high beams. Whoa, that's some beams, right, Dad?
Yep, you got it.
What do you think? We're good?
We're good.
Yeah, I think we can see now. You can see there's like a solid line when we're driving, and it's not going to go up into everybody's faces either. So this works really well. I'd say this is a win. Here's some brick.
Now it's brighter on the left than the right, so it might be a brick. Just be the angle of the car.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Alright, try the highs.
This side looks slightly brighter now.
Now, yeah, so it's flipped. That's
okay.
Good.
Okay.
That's good.
Now we're good. So then, 40,000 lumens of power, 4 bulbs, and a super easy install. I call it a win overall. And the good news is, you want bulbs like this too for your car or like this one? You can with my link in the description below and using my promo code GTSam at checkout for 20% off your order. What a deal. And for a fantastic company with Novsight, that is amazing. So overall consensus, I think these are amazing, and my dad does too. And he's a particular guy. And for him to approve of these, that means a lot. If you want to use tools like we did on this job with these bad boys, then you don't use this link in the description below for tools we used. But if you want shirts like this, a link in the description, that's what's going to be down there for the shirt like this, and t-shirts as well. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Enjoyed today's video. Make sure you give a thumbs up right there, and make sure you subscribe down below for more content quite like this and much more. And if it's comments or questions about anything, go ahead and leave it down there. Love to help you out, talk about it as well. But guys, thank you again so much for watching. This is GTSam, and thank you so much, Novsight, for helping me out with this video. And I'm going to catch you next time.